Hello children, today we are going to learn class 3rd science lesson number 11, our earth and its neighbors. So children, last class I gave the reading on the page number 88, 89. Now today you have to open the page number 89. On the page number 89, today we'll learn reading rotation causes day and night. Due to earth rotation, each place on it is in sunlight for part of the time and is in a darkness for the rest. At any given time, one half of the earth faces the sun and it has the day light. When the earth has turned around, the same part is in a darkness and it has a night. Now see on the page number 90 children, there is an activity. It is the activity: take a lighted torch. One child will hold the lighted torch and flash it on the other child, who spins like a top. Notice that the part facing the torch is lit up by it and the other parts is in a darkness. You can see here this boy is flashing the light. The first front face is visible and back side it is filling a darkness. Okay, now here sun is there, here earth is rotating. When it is rotating like this way, the half part it is facing towards the sun and half part it is not facing towards the sun. That's why it is a dark and this is a lighted. Okay. REVOLUTION. It is a revolution. Revolution of the earth. The earth also revolves around the sun. It takes 1 year, 365 quarter days to complete one revolution. These movements of the earth around the sun is called as a revolution. The earth revolves in a fixed orbit. Revolution of the earth causes changes in the season of the earth. The sun. The sun is a very big ball of hot gases. It is the star closest to the earth. It has its own heat and light. The sun appears to be very small to us because it is very far away. If you imagine that the big circle is the sun, then the earth will be as big as small dot only. The sun is so hot that if our earth was any closer to it, all living things would have been burnt. The temperature on the sun's surface is about 5400 degrees Celsius. The sun's heat allows animals and plants to live on the earth. Tip: do not directly look at the sun. The moon. The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. The moon moves around the earth and complete one rotation on its axis in 29.5 days. the same time to complete one revolution around the earth. The distance of moon from the earth is about 3,84,400 kilometers. It has no lights of its own. It shines only because it reflects the light of the sun. So children, today you have to read this page number 90 and 91.